Good morning. Today, things are looking really nice outside. Checking out our Skycam, you can see we're looking at some really good conditions. Quiet, clear visibility looks pretty good right here in Fargo, and we'll continue to enjoy that sun once it rises here this morning and throughout the day today. It looks like a beautiful one to start off the work week. Of course, right after a weekend that was a little less than stellar, cool, especially on Saturday. And this morning, temperatures are starting off pretty chilly out there. Here's a look at our numbers. We're in the 30s in at least one spot, 37 degrees in Fosston right now. So a chilly one there, 41 in Langdon and 41 in Bemidji. In Fargo, 42, and it's 44 in Grand Forks. So you might want to put on that jacket as you step out the door this morning, or maybe just a cardigan extra layer, at least for the next couple of hours, as these temperatures continue to hold steady or even climb in the next couple of hours. Once that sun rises, we'll see those temperatures really start to get going. Looking at our winds, we are less than 10 miles per hour throughout the valley. So many places reporting zero wind or calm air, and that could lead to some fog. Right now, we're looking at some pretty good weather. Fargo is the only place that has a little bit lower visibility at 6 miles, but still doing okay at the airport there. Radar showing and satellite showing very quiet weather. The one place where we may see more clouds is up by Lake of the Woods this morning and throughout the day today. Here's a look at your hourly planner. Again, today, beautiful. Temperatures starting off cool, but we'll build on that warmer weather we ended up with yesterday. It was warmer than Saturday, even though it was still cool out there. And today we'll continue to add to that. By 7 o'clock, near 50 degrees, and 9 a.m., you'll start to notice that difference around 60 at the 9 a.m. hour. And again, a few clouds up around Lake of the Woods. The rest of us enjoying some sunshine. And that continues into the noon hour. We'll be in the 60s to around 70 degrees, which was a struggle to even get to 60 on Saturday in some areas, and we'll already be there at noon today on this Monday. And there we go, temperatures climbing into the 70s in more places, especially in eastern North Dakota, Grand Forks, Fargo, and those urban areas. We might warm up just a little bit more into the mid 70s, 76 degrees in Fargo, 74 in Grand Forks, and the rest of the valley at least in the upper 60s, and trying to work our way into the low 70s here today with at least some beautiful sunshine and some light wind. It should be a gorgeous day. It's just not going to be summertime heat that you would expect in late July, or June rather, as we transition into July. By late tonight, temperatures into the 50s around 11 o'clock. And now let's take a look at Tuesday. We are looking at tomorrow morning, starting off with some quiet weather, a little bit warmer with some winds starting to get going. Wind out of the south, helping to keep that atmosphere mixed and usher in some warmer air. And temperatures into the 50s at that point. A few more clouds for the day as well tomorrow. By around 11 o'clock tomorrow morning, we're looking at some 60s. And we continue to climb from there into the afternoon hours with a few more clouds. Everybody getting into at least the low 70s and continuing that climb from there into the low 80s potentially, maybe even some places into the mid 80s. So much more summer-like for your Tuesday. However, we do have a chance for some showers and thunder showers. This is 8:30 tomorrow night, still looking pretty good, still a pretty nice evening for us ahead. But then our next system approaches, and right now it does look like, at least with the timing on our particular computer model, we've got those showers and thunderstorms moving in the late night hours after midnight, as you can see on our hourly planner there. And then those kind of just work their way eastward through the morning tomorrow. Some of those could be strong, maybe even some severe weather possible. We're looking at the potential for some hail, and in addition to that, some damaging winds. It's something to keep in mind for Tuesday night and into early Wednesday. But for the next couple of days at least, we've got some beautiful weather, especially today, some mid 70s, mostly sunny. And then for Tuesday, back into the low 80s. So nice summertime temperatures, but becoming windy, increasing clouds, and again, late in the day, that chance for some rain and thunder continuing into Wednesday. And we are unsettled for the rest of the work week from there. Temperatures will be back into the low 70s again to round out the week. And I know a lot of people maybe taking a long weekend ahead as we transition into the July and the 4th of July as well. Right now, Saturday and Sunday look okay. They just aren't going to be that, hot summer weather that a lot of people like to see around the 4th. So we'll have to look ahead coming up throughout the week at what the holiday itself looks like.
Can't believe we're talking about the 4th of July already, too. Thank you, Lisa.
A new type of grocery store is getting ready to open its doors in Fargo.
Valley News Live reporter Ashley Bishop has all the details next.